Hello and namaste. This is your friend Ajay, and today we'll do some exercises, some yoga poses that will work on your tummy, on the organs inside of your tummy to help you ease your digestion and your kidney function, your liver function, everything. But take it easy, take it slow, and let's begin with Pawan Muktasan. So we'll warm up with Pawan Muktasan, the knees to chest. Then we do our leg extensions there, and then we raise the legs in 30 degrees. So this is going to be our warm up. Then we begin the next sequence after that. So come on here, let's activate the tummy, let's activate the organs inside our tummy. So what we do is we just lie down on the mat, okay, with our back on the mat, and now from here just hug your knees. Bring your knees to the chest and then hug your knees. If this is not comfortable, you can just have your hands around or your hands pressing your knees as much as you can. Begin with a hug here and slowly tighten your hug. Tight hug, tight hug. Stay here for about a minute. Just relax, and to make good use of this minute, let's work the neck here. So we look towards the right, taking right ear to the mat. Hold here for about 10 seconds. And now we will take left ear to the mat, looking towards the left. We go slowly. And now we'll hold here for about 10 seconds. And we will come back to the center. Try, if you want to hug tight with your arms around your knees, try it and you would know whether your body likes it or not at this moment. So even if you are not taking your full arms around, you can try, pressing your knees deep into your chest as much as you can. This pose will help you release excess gas from your tummy. Okay, one of the prime reasons why the tummy hurts. This is good for all ages, from the kids to 3 years old kids to up to 75, 80 years old, depending on how fit and how flexible you are. Also, do not hesitate to pass any wind that you have here. That is the intention of this pose. As the name suggests, Pawan Muktasan, wind release pose. Alright, about a minute gone. What we'll do now is keep the right knee in and extend the left leg out. Extend the leg fully. No bend in that left knee, and rest that left leg completely on the mat. Once it rests, you hug your right knee deeper. Okay? Bring it deeper to your chest and hold here. Now even in this one, we are pressing the right side of the tummy. So the pressure would be on your liver and your right kidney. So that would help you detox, and at the same time this is working on your lower back. This is also working on your left entire leg. You do it and you know where all it feels in your body. And now we prepare to slowly change the leg. So bring your left leg in first, then release your right knee and take your left knee in towards the chest, and now extend your right leg completely. Extend it completely, rest it on the mat or the floor, And once it is rested, then we bring the left knee in deep to the chest. Stay here while keeping the right leg completely resting on the floor, on the mat. And with this one now we are pressing the stomach and the left kidney. Let's activate the organs inside of the tummy. So what happens is most of the times you have swelling in one of the organs inside because it is trying to fight either some infection or some structural issue. And then as a result of swelling, either your tummy is bloated or the other organs inside of your tummy are compressed. So we need to work on all the organs of the tummy holistically. We can't just focus on one organ and ignore the other. Let's change. So right knee hugged in and extend the left leg out. And we change. Left knee in, right leg out. And we change. Right knee in, left leg out. And last, left knee in, right leg out. And we bring both the knees to the chest. Once again, hug your knees. After all this movement, you might want to release a bit more wind here, so do not hesitate. That is the intention of this sequence, to detox your tummy of whatever that is no longer needed by the body. Alright, so we did the Pawan Muktasan and the leg extension in that Pawan Muktasan. Let's join the soles of the feet here. Grab your feet and now take the knees, push them backwards and outwards. Let's open the hip joint and now pull that tummy in. Check that your lower back is in touch with the mat. Just relax here. Very relaxing pose. At the same time, it could open the hip joint, stretching the leg muscles. And now we release. What we'll do now is, so we just did a bit of tummy pulling in, core activation with this reclined butterfly. What we'll do now is raise the legs in 30 degrees. That would once again activate the organs inside the tummy. But for that, you need to pull the tummy in deep and make sure your lower back is in touch with the mat. Because if the lower back is not in touch with the mat, the lower back may suffer. So if you feel your arch is in a shape that it is not being in touch with the mat, you can skip this one, or you can have a towel or your palms under the triangle of your pelvis here. You can make a diamond here and place it under. And from here now raise your legs up to 30 degrees and pull that tummy in. Pull the tummy in and just stay here for some time. Let's activate the inside organs and work on our detox, on our swellings inside, or any kind of attention that the internal organ needs. And we hold for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your knees once again to the chest and hug your knees. Hug your knees deep, 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 and we release. The next sequence that we are going to do, that we are trying to do now, is called as Marichasana, wherein we twist our from our abdomen. Okay, and when we twist from the abdomen, what essentially happens is, depending on which side we are twisting, okay, either your stomach or liver will get stretched, okay, the intestine will get stretched in that certain direction, and then when we change the direction of the twist, that gets stretched to the other direction. So what we are doing is we are trying to stretch, and then there are some poses in which we compress those organs. So we stretch, we compress, and we release the organs, and that would help with better working of all those organs. Alright, so what we do in seated Marichasana is, first of all, extend your legs fully. Okay, raise both the hands up. This is to take care of the spine. When you raise both the hands up, make sure your back is not rounded. Okay, so lift your chest up, extend your hands fully towards the ceiling. Now pull your tummy in and we release the hands. The only intention of this one was to stretch, so that when we take the next step, our body supports. So what we do is pull the right leg in. Okay, so right feet is close to your groin, right knee is towards your face, and we touch the nose to right knee. What we do now is take the right feet over to the left side. Alright, then we take the right hand behind, we raise the left hand up, and we take the left elbow outside of right knee and we twist. Okay, so this is the full Marichasana. If this is too much, you can just have your hand here, okay, hugging. So your left hand is hugging your right leg, and now you twist, 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 twist. If this is also too much, you can just have both the hands hugging your right leg, okay, and then you twist. Make sure you take this right shoulder backwards and breathe into, think about your abdomen. So you begin your twist from the abdomen, then your chest to the rib cage, then you take the shoulder backwards, then you look backwards. The intention is not to turn your head a lot, the intention is to have your tummy, your abdomen as the origin of your twist. So choose whichever variation and hold this one for another 10 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release and we touch the nose to knee here. Extend this leg. Once again, raise both the hands up towards the ceiling. Pull the tummy in and we release the hands. We do the same thing on the other side. So bring your left leg in towards the chest. Touch your nose to left knee. Then we take the left feet outside of the right thigh, right leg, and either we just hug. So take your right elbow, the tip of your right elbow, and then you hug here, you twist, 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 and stay here. Make sure the origin of your twist is from your tummy, from your abdomen. Choose whichever variation you like to do here. Or you might want to vary the variation, so you can do all of them, but always make sure whichever variation you are trying, always make sure the origin of this twist is from the tummy. Then you involve your rib cage, chest, shoulders and the head at the last. And we hold another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Touch your nose to the knee and relax the legs straight in front. Once again, raise both the hands up towards the ceiling. Pull your tummy in. Just hold this one for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the hands down. So this was your Marichasana seated twists. Take care of detoxing of your body, okay, and at the same time it will help you twist the spine, so that would help with your lower back discomfort or pain.